Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. In today's video, I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. Firstly, we will block the number which is currently saved on your contact list, and the second way will require entering kind of the settings which are assigned to the dialer. So in order to block the contact which you've got currently saved, you can either enter your contact list or the dialer, and to be honest, I highly recommend to use the dialer because there you will have the immediate access to both ways of blocking. So let me enter the dialer, go to the contact, and then find the contact you want to block and tap on it, of course. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to block the number because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, we've got this information that from now on the number is blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, right here. However, let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, because entering the blacklist is one of the parts of the second way of blocking the number. So to do that, we have to, it does not really matter, to be honest, whether we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. That's why I've recommended you to use the dialer instead of the contact list. Here on this list, we have to find blocked numbers. So let's tap. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. And I also said that this option, the second way of blocking the number is more manual, because here we have to tap on add a number. And as you can see, we can enter it manually. So you do not have to have it saved. You can copy the number and paste it right here, and then simply tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist also, so you will not receive incoming calls or text messages from it. Here we've got also this option unknown. You can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and basically this option allows your device to block all calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always, of course. If you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.